This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication.
Tiffany Miek trial, when a plea deal collapsed. In the Tiffany murder case, the courtroom is no longer preparing the negotiation. It is preparing for a full-scale legal battle. Tiffany Miek stands accused of murdering her own 11-year-old son, Jayden Lee Miek, in the case that has shocked the country because of one painful reality. This is not just a murder allegation. It is a case involving a mother and her child. Jayden Lee was reported missing on 11/2025 May, but within just one day, that disappearance turned into tragedy when his lifeless body was discovered near their home in Vliehof, Johannesburg. From that moment, the case shifted from a missing investigation into a murder case, and now the person at the center is his own mother. The state case. The state case is not just about what allegedly happened, but what they believed happened afterwards. Prosecutors allege that Jayden Lee was killed inside the home and that the scene where his body was found may have been manipulated to mislead investigators. This introduced a second layer of cases, not just murder, but defending the ends of justice. It means the case and attempting to prove that there was not only a fatal act, but also deliberate effort to conceal the truth. The defense mood. Why the plea deal was not on the table. Before the case reached this stage, the defense indicated they were open to plea deal. This is not a necessity or sign of weakness. It is a strategic move used to manage risk. Even if the defense believes the state case has gaps, the unpredictability of trial remains. In a case involving a possibility of life sentence, even a small risk becomes significant. When negotiations collapsed, when the matter returned to court, negotiations that broke down completely, there was no compromise, and the plea deal collapsed. This signaled that both sides are ready to fight the case in full. The not guilty plea. Tiffany Miek entered a not guilty plea to all charges. This forces the state to prove every element of his case beyond reasonable doubt. Full courtroom battle. The case has now moved fully into trial mode. The state believes it can prove its case. The defense believes it can challenge it. What follows next will be the courtroom battle, where every piece of evidence and testimony will be tested.
That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching The Sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.